Hola a todos, it's tu amiga Princesa Ariel con otro video de Recyclas. En este video me hacen ollas en LED. Gracias por escucharme y mirar mis fotos, mis videos y gracias y compartan. Hi everybody, it is your girl Princess Ariel. And today we are making jewelry with LED lights. So you've probably seen this in a previous video of mine. I think it was the last one I posted. This is my, I don't know if you can see that, my little mermaid bubble. And it has my name spelled into it. Let me see if I can get it closer. It has my name spelled into it. Let's see if you can see it. See A-R-I-E-L. And then of course there's an LED light, 5mm LED light inside. And let me just give you a preview of what it looks like. I'm using my watch battery again. Okay, let me pick it up. And see, it's got like a little pink LED light inside. And so it just gives you an idea of what we're doing. Okay, so this is a little light that something I found in the Goodwill. It was just a shell, and then I put two LED lights, a couple of LED lights inside. One has the fast flashing bulbs. The other one has like a slow flash bulbs, and they were 3mm. You can order them on eBay. And then I just use old Christmas lights. I take out the old bulb, put these new LED bulbs in, and then I just wire it from whatever scraps I have. And done. So I'm just picking colors and I'm going all the way down. And it gets a little tight because I kind of had to clip that to get it to fit. But see, it still goes on. You just push it as far as you can push it. And see, I just pulled that apart, how easy it is. So I'm just going to twist it back. So if you have that happen, just twist it back and keep the party going. Oh, I'm going to bend it this way so it doesn't get affected. So you just add any color combination you want to get the look. And I'm just getting it started. So push that on down. And you're just pushing it. Keep pushing it as far as you can get it. So I'm doing one side at a time. Once I get the desired length, and I'll just tie it off and then connect it to either a battery box or an LED solar light. And we're just going along with it. So I'm trying to do it in a way where you can see. If you see what I'm doing, I'm just adding the beads, and it's covering the exposed wire. Now you could tape that if you really wanted to, but then it just make it harder to get the bead on. Or you could glue it, but it could get kind of messy, so I just do it like this because it could easily take it apart and reuse it for something else. And so I'm just doing random colors on this one. I'm not color coordinating or anything, because I just want to give you an idea of how you can recycle and how you can do fun art projects at home on rainy days when you're bored. You need to get your mind off of whatever it is bothering you. Crafting is always a fun way to get your mind refreshed and relaxed. You can see here how many I've done in that short amount of time. So I'm going to pause and then we're going to come back. Okay, so we're back, and you see I've already tied off this end, so these beads aren't going anywhere. As long as this don't get yanked because I didn't solder or glue the wires together, these should be fine just like this. I normally take stuff apart and reuse it, so I don't do a whole lot of soldering or gluing and stuff like that. I can do it, but it's not necessary for this project. So what I'm going to show you is, now that I've got the necklace complete with the length that I want, I tie it off. So you're just going to make a knot. with your wire carefully. And you're just going to pull like that. You see? And so I've got to go all the way down. So I'm going to have to push some of this wire through. You just got to reach the bead. And you see it's on there. It's very tight. And you don't have to worry about it coming loose because it's already knotted. You can see that. But now on to the part where you light it up. Side here is the fast flashing 3mm light bulbs. I have 3 shoved in at one Christmas light body. And then the other one is 3 or 2 of the 3mm slow flashing. So you'll see them slowly changing color. This one goes really fast. And I just did the combination together like that just to give it more of a glow and a mermaid feel, since this is a shell necklace. And look, this is the back side, so you can kind of see the exposed clear area there. You can see it a little bit better. Got it? And that's all there is to it. I'm going to probably add this L.e.d. I mean not L.e.d, but my brain is not working. Solar garden unit to attach. And I just attach it by these 2 wires right here. I'll run the wires through this hole right here, attach them there, put the battery back in, clamp it down. Now this came loose, so I do have to solder this piece back onto this, just to get it to stay on, because that's where it charges the battery when in the daytime, and then this turns on when it gets dark. And so that's what all that looks like. This is what I'm doing today. I want to thank you guys for listening, and please like and share. I'm trying to grow my family. This is all about recycling, container gardening, and then me as Princess Ariel, the ex-Disney princess. Gracias a todo y que tengas buen día. That's all I have to say. Goodbye, everybody.